Hey guys, Kaden here and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Guys, if you're new, please just go ahead, hit that subscribe button and just enjoy this tutorial. Today I'll just be doing an updated on the go routine, makeup routine. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. So today guys, I'll be going in with my Raye times BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to be using two shades, and I'm going to be putting the darker one on the bottom part of my lid, and then go ahead and use the light one to fade the harsh lines. So I won't be going too crazy on the eyes. So now that I'm finished with my eyes, I'm going to go in with my two foundations, which is my Mary Kay foundation, and it's a mattifying foundation, and my Maybelline SuperStay foundation, and I'm going to be using that all over my face. And then I'm going to go in and highlight my underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my chin, my cupid's bow, and my forehead with my fawn concealer, the SLEIGH Girl Pro Conceal in Fawn. I'm going to go in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder and use that to set all my highlighted areas. I'm going to go ahead and pop these lashes on and then dust off my excessive baking. I'll be going back into my Raye times BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to be using a highlighting shade from that palette to highlight my face. So I'm going to be highlighting the eyes part of my cheeks, the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, my cupid's bow, and also my forehead and my chin. Now I'm going to go in and contour my face with the same palette. I did went in with the darkest shade in the palette, the contour shade, not the light one, the darkest one. I didn't go crazy on the lips because I want it to look neutral, so I went in with my MAC lip stain and I just placed that all over my lips. And I already set my face with my setting spray. I don't know why that didn't record, so I already did set my face, and I'm going to now go in with my Maybelline Bigshot mascara, and I'm going to use that on my bottom lash. And I'm also going to go into my my lash line with the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. Here you go, guys. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you're new, please just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave all your comments. Thank you. Bye.